In today's digital age, getting found online is crucial. But how do you ensure your website stands out in the vast sea of information? The answer is SEO. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into SEO, what it is and why it matters. SEO, or search engine optimization, is the process of optimizing your website to rank higher in search engine results pages. When you search for something on Google, the results you see aren't random. They're carefully curated based on SEO. In fact, 75% of users never scroll past the first page of search results. That's why SEO is so important. So how does SEO impact your website? Let's break it down. First, SEO drives organic traffic to your site, meaning visitors who find you through search engines rather than paid ads. Organic traffic is valuable because it's highly targeted. These visitors are actively searching for what you offer. Next, let's talk about how SEO helps with credibility and trust. Ranking high in search results signals to users that your site is a trusted source. It builds credibility and trust. And as your site's authority grows, so does your search ranking, creating a positive feedback loop. Finally, SEO is cost-effective. Unlike paid advertising, SEO focuses on organic reach, making it a cost-effective strategy in the long run. While SEO requires an investment of time and effort, the long-term benefits far outweigh the costs. So there you have it, a quick introduction to SEO and why it matters. Remember, SEO is a marathon, not a sprint. Consistent effort leads to lasting results. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips on mastering your online presence. See you next time.
Innovating tomorrow's tech concepts.